In this short video, David Jumper will talk about the Y-Age Carnosine patch, which has been clinically shown to increase stamina by up to 125%, improves strength and flexibility, improves overall health, improves bioelectrical properties of organs, is an exclusive form of acupressure, and has no drugs, chemicals, or stimulants.
LifeWave, now the glutathione patch, I said, detoxifies cells, cleanses cells, and the carnosine repairs cells. So the carnosine patch, this is something that carnosine has been, it repairs cells. It also helps to build muscle. You know, when you're building muscle, one thing that's happening is you're actually repairing damaged cells as well. They actually did studies with mice, and they took actual siblings of mice, and they had some siblings that were not given any carnosine supplementation, and the others were given the carnosine. And the ones that were given carnosine lived 60% longer. And it's incredible, the photographs of those mice that were given the carnosine. They look like such young mice, the same age as their siblings, that were just looked aged and decrepit. Their hair was falling out, and because they had no carnosine. So it's important. The carnosine helps to repair cells, repairs damaged cells. Very important. And we found that there's some other benefits that people have found, like I mentioned, with muscle building, some repairing the muscle. It does help some with some stamina in working out as well. So we do have people working out that use that. I know David Schmidt uses it to help with muscle building. David Schmidt, by the way, is our founder and CEO of LifeWave and the inventor of the LifeWave patches.
Cool. I'm happy I met you guys, David and Nikki. This is the highlight. This is the highlight of my thing right here. I hope
it's the highlight of my day for sure.